Hello everyone, this is Luna from Landpack. We are a packing machine manufacturer over 16 years experience. Today I'd like to introduce tuber sealing and filling and sealing machine. The machine mainly used for liquids and customer products such as facial screen and body screen. And this is storage hopper. It can automatically tuber feeding. The first station is color marker positioning. It automatically identifies the tuber color mark and move to the next process only when the standard mark is detected. The second station is dust removal, which blows off dust on the tuber surface with high pressure airflow. The third is filling station. Adopt a piston pump filling with accurate measuring and high efficiency, and it equips the stir function. The first hot air heating station preheats tuber tile to prepare for sealing. The fifth sealing and coating station finish tuber embossing, sealing, and steel stamper coating at the same time. The sixth steaming station cutting. It says in the G to finish the tubers. The last one is finished product conveyor to collect finished tuber like this. If you are interested in it, feel free to contact us. Bye bye.